Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and the magic word today is interstitial ads. Understanding interstitial ads is the purpose of this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I've got a Google document at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com that you can take a look at. It talks about interstitial ads in greater detail than I'm going to go into audibly right now. The interstitial ads concept first applied back in the 90s when online advertising first happened, and some people started trying interstitial ads, putting it in the middle of the content, like they'd have a couple paragraphs, then an ad, and then a couple more paragraphs, then an ad. And the click-through rates were phenomenal. Get on board with this concept if you haven't already. It's a winner. Okay, it's not something that you got to throw it in the pond and hope it works. This one will float. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.